Hey guys, I'm Seth Dungca, teacher slash actor slash model slash weeb slash millennial, but basically just me. And I'm here to review a product from McJim Classic Leather. Alright, you know what? I was surprised because when I lifted this up earlier, I thought it would be lighter than it is. It's actually pretty, yeah, there's weight in there. But let's look inside and that's a nice box. Look at it. The color is great. It just screams sophisticated. It's nice. And then let's flip it over to the other side and it's more chic. It's more minimalistic. It's more cool. I noticed that most designs have been like this lately. I don't know, I think it's nice because it's direct to the point and it's easier to look at. It's not like, whoa, like that. So it's nice. Maybe it's because it screams of elegance, you know, simple yet beautiful. Let's open it. Okay, wait, look at this. So I open it and this is the first thing I see. That's cool. You know, as someone who is probably a self-proclaimed weeb, I low-key thought this was some sort of very cool amulet thing. But look at that, it's nice. It's a buckle. So there's a belt. That's why it was heavy. I was confused. But before we get to that, the belt itself is very nice. That's thick leather. You can feel it. It's very authentic. That's nice. Look at it. It's great. Look at that. Look at that. It's a really nice color of leather and it's thick and it's great, but that's weird. I mean, yeah, look at it. Why do you think I was surprised, right? There are no holes, but there's these things. There are groves. That's cute. Let's check out why that. Ew. Remember when I said I was surprised when I saw the buckle? It's because if you look at it from the side, look at that. It's interesting, right? It's peculiar. It looks like it's something from a sci-fi movie. It looks like it's that advanced. But let's figure this out. So if I want to wear it, I have to put it here. Oh, I get it. This is really cool. It has an auto-lock mechanism thing. So if I'm going to show you here on this side. There. I can pull it if I want to tighten it here. But if I want to, it won't just let go. That's a very firm lock. That's cool. And if I need to let it out, I guess I have to push this way or pull. Let's figure. Oh, I pull. So you have to pull this part so that you can slowly pull it out. This is some very advanced stuff. We really are in 2019, people. Like, imagine not having to be like, you know what's really frustrating in terms of belts is when there's a hole and then it's a little too, either you need another hole or there's not enough holes so that it would fit you properly, but now you can just, kasi alam mo yung minsan na nandito yung unang butas tapos nandito yung pangalawang butas pero ang kailangan mo sa belt mo nandito. With this, it's not a problem because if you can literally just adjust it. There's no limit to how much you can adjust it. So no matter how close or ganyan lang or more or just a bit, it's fine. It still locks. So that's a very unique innovation. I'm really impressed, McJim. That's great. That's nice. And overall, it looks very cool. Look at that. Like imagine this is someone's waist. Doesn't it look chic? Doesn't it look fine? And then, because walang holes, it looks so much cleaner, you know? So it's both beauty and innovation in one. That's great. Sorry, I'm really intrigued. I want to keep playing with it. It's nice. So, looking at the buckle itself, it's heavy. It's moderately heavy and it's nice. But the design itself complements the whole, this is a different belt thing. It looks like it's from the future. It looks like it's something you've never done before. And then on the other side, it's still a good design. Again, they do not skip out on design here. Everywhere you look, it looks great. It looks chic and it looks like it's something important. And you know, a belt really is important because my mom bought me my first belt. She said it's what defines a man. It's when he has a proper leather belt. So I guess if you have a proper leather belt that's also as innovative as an auto-lock system, you're a proper and innovative man, and I would not want to be anything else. So that's fun. I guess that's everything there is to this belt, and that was a lot. But I'm sure everyone else is gonna want one of these because it's cool, it's chic, it's innovative, it's like it's from the future. And yeah. So thank you again for listening to me. Thank you for being here with me and raving about this belt. I'm Seth Dungca, and I'll see you next time.